Ah! Buti na lang, matibay. Natakot ako nun. Take 2. 5 years daw ang fluency na itong phone na ito. And this is the Infinix HOT 50. Priced at below 7,000 pesos. You have a 5 years fluency guaranteed by TUV. 4 years ang kanyang durability ng battery up to 1,600 charging cycles. MediaTek Helio G100 kanyang processor. And meron siyang 120Hz na screen refresh rate. More info after this quick intro. So itong Infinix HOT 50 na may 8 plus 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage is currently priced at 6,999, which I'll post the link on the description box below. So pag-usapan na natin kanyang design. Yung kanyang design is more of a flat design ng Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus. Pero quite thin din siya at 7.7mm thick, which pag tinignan mo, quite not bad din compared sa HOT 50 Pro Plus. I like yung likod niya, matte finish and flat na flat, and hindi siya fingerprint magnet. And yung kanyang camera module looks exactly the same doon sa kanyang Pro Plus na variant. Winning factor para sa akin, meron pa rin siyang expansion slot dito. By the way, this is 4G, not 5G. And meron pa siyang audio jack dito sa ilalim. Goods. Hindi nga lang ganun kaliitan ng kanyang punch hole, and medyo makapal konti ang kanyang bezel, plus makapal din ang kanyang baba. And one thing na gusto ko rin sa kanya, magaan din siya at 185 grams. I'm not quite sure kung ano IP rating nito, pero nakasulat naman dito sa box na it's splash proof. And meron din siya NFC. Meaning ng splash proof is wisik ng tubig at ng ulan, hindi itapon sa swimming pool para mag-splash. Iba yun, ha? Now, since this one has a MediaTek Helio G100 and nakakuha naman siya ng 425,000 points dito sa AnTuTu benchmark, which is for me, not so bad ang score, better than the G99. Even though that this one is just a slightly overclocked na G99. Ito ang kanyang breakdown score. 351 ang kanyang loop score sa Wild Dive Extreme and 98% ang kanyang stability. Ito nakuha kong score dito sa Geekbench sa kanyang CPU benchmarking and sa GPU benchmarking niya. Well, quite okay naman ang kanyang thermals and it throttled to 85% ang kanyang best performance. Now, 5,000 mAh ang kanyang battery, which is for me not bad, honestly. And meron din siyang 18 watts na charging speed. I wouldn't call it 18 watts na fast charge kasi 18 watts is nowhere near fast na dito sa 2024. And nung nag-manual test ako para sa screen on time, nakakuha ako ng 14 hours and 51 minutes para sa kanyang screen on time under 50% brightness and 60Hz na screen refresh rate. Kaya naman niya mag-last ng one whole day without charging. Now, itong screen na ito is a 6.78-inch na IPS LCD. Kaya na mag 1080p at this price point. For me, it's good kasi mga ibang phone at this price point is 720p lang. And it also has a 120Hz na screen refresh rate. And then, nag-scroll naman ng social media dito, I would say, okay, it was really nice. Smooth naman aking swiping experience. Wala kang maging problema sa YouTube, sa Facebook, sa TikTok. Wala kang maging problem. And if you're watching naman videos dito sa YouTube, expect mo it's going to give you a good experience naman. Just don't expect it to be as good as mga AMOLED display, but it's pretty decent to watch your favorite shows, basketball man, or Korean novela. Goods. Now, since itong phone na ito only has one loud firing speaker dito sa ilalim, test natin kung acceptable ba or decent ang kanyang loud firing speaker na isa. Katamtaman lang kanyang volume, not the loudest, but you can always use yung kanyang audio jack dito sa ilalim. Bonus pa rin. Now, I played 2 games dito, Honor of Kings and si Call of Duty Mobile. Honor of Kings, I would say, okay ang gameplay dito. I set it to yung pinaka-optimal na pwede dito sa phone nito. It was able to give me a good gaming experience. Medyo bago pa sa Honor of Kings, so medyo kinakapa ko pa yung mga controls niya. But the gameplay was okay, the controls was okay, the sounds is, well, medyo mediocre kasi medyo mahina ang one loud fire speaker. But you can always use any TWS, the Bluetooth, or you can use your wired headphones to give you a better experience. But overall, the gameplay was good and uminit siya up to 42 degrees Celsius. Now, sa Call Call of Duty Mobile, expect a good gaming experience naman dito sa G100 kasi I believe na it's already optimized dito para sa game na ito. And quite smooth naman ang gaming experience, though there are some occasional frame drops along the way and hindi naman natin talaga maiwasan yun, no? And playing 30 minutes na VR matches, I was able to win some games dito and pinakamain din na achieve niya is 43 degrees Celsius. Now, by the way guys, singit ko lang, itong phone na ito is being collaborated with Honor of Kings. Kaya kita natin special packaging ang kanyang box, which looks pretty nice, no? Medyo hot ang Honor of Kings, kaya I'm trying to play with this game. Now, one thing to look forward to is yung mga phones moving forward ni Infinix kasi meron itong 5 years of fluency, meaning 5 years of smoothness ang bibigay na sa'yo. And ginaranti rin ni Infinix na you get 1,600 charging cycles dito sa phone na ito without wearing out. Well, on average, that's 4 years na durability ang yung battery. But for me, it's remained to be seen, but it's a good move from Infinix. Napag-usapan na natin ang kanyang camera. This one has a 50MP na main camera sensor and a 8MP na front-facing camera. Both can shoot you up to 2K and 30 FPS. So, pag-usapan na natin some shots na nakuha natin dito sa Infinix HOT 50. So, taking some of this simple shot on outdoor, I would say na okay, not so bad ang kanyang mga photos given its price point. It was able to give me some decent shot dito sa kanya. And getting a closer look dito sa dahon na ito, we'll see some of these water droplets is looking okay. Sharp pa rin naman siya after you zoom it. Some of this simple na flower shot looks nice, and though hindi lang siya naman ganun ka-sharp, but of course, given its price point, I would say it's pretty decent. As well as some of these more flower shots na papakita ko sa inyo, looks okay, but not really the best. And yung kanyang green dito looks kind of good, no? And I would say na very natural ang look niya. Hindi siya masyadong saturated. Now, nung dinala ko naman siya sa indoor on low light, it was able to perform, though medyo hirap siya konti on indoor situation, but given kung maganda naman yung lightings like halogen bulbs, it will give you some really nice shot like this one. And trying to take some food photography dito, I would say na pretty decent din ang kanyang camera, was able to get some nice details dito sa matcha, and I would say the separation between the subject and the background is pretty nice. And further going sa low light, kaya din niya mag-perform, to my surprise. I was outdoor and medyo madilim during Apple event ni Beyond the Box, and dito low light to sobra on outdoor. It was around mga 11 in the evening, and yeah, some of these shots are pretty decent. And just scrolling, letting you see some of these shots, hit and miss siya guys, no? Hindi siya lagi ganun kaganda. There are some shots na mag-overexpose like ganito, no? So it depends sa pag-focus mo, but kung nakapag-focus ka naman, you'll be able to get some nice shots naman. And some of this indoor low light, it's a Christmas tree, looks okay. And just trying yung kanyang zoom lens, this is a normal and this is a 2x zoom. So after 2x zooming, well, medyo soft na siya. Trying some further outdoor shot, I would say na pretty nice ang kanyang camera on outdoor condition. Not so bad. If you use yung kanyang selfie camera, I would say I was quite surprised with this output. Looks pretty nice and sharp on outdoor. Though medyo naninila ako konti on some of these photos, but the resolution is not so bad, the quality. But if you bring it indoor, doon siya medyo mako-compromise kasi mukhang talaga magso-soften ang yung mga photos, just the way it looks dito sa mga pinapakita ko sa inyo. If you're trying on low light and on outdoor, I would say na quite shaky, but not so bad at being able to render a video like this one on outdoor, lalo na sa gabi, no? And using its rear camera naman, taking this video on low light, shaky, but the resolution on 2K is not so bad. Pretty nice, decent. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Infinix HOT 30? Honestly, the price is jaw-dropping. 6,999. 256 ang kanyang storage. 5 years ang kanyang fluency. 4 years ang kanyang durability sa battery. Pretty much it. Kasi the other phones at this price point could hardly give you a 5-year fluency. But kaya-kaya ni Infinix. So now moving forward, I think na you'll be getting more for what you paid for dito kay Infinix. So bibili ka ba nito? Let me know in the comments. If you want to know kung saan na pwede mabili to, link on the description. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And sub to this channel. It's definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.